ऑब्वियसली जब ऋषिका आती है एक चीज़ होता है हर शूट में, क्लिप 1
2 साल के अंदर हो जाएगी, मुझे 100% पता है। बत्ती चली गई है मेरे घर में।
क्लिप 2
हाइजीन बत्ती चली गई।
क्लिप 3
It's not me.
बत्ती चली जाती है
I had put a Rishika.
एंड बत्ती चली गई। लिटरली शी इज काम एंड शी सेड वाओ लाइटिंग इतनी अच्छी है और 1-2 मिनट बाद बत्ती गॉन। आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू नीड
Stop it!
जब पार्ट कि तू लोगों की बत्तियां क्यों बंद कर रही है, आई डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड।
ठीक है भाई मैं चलता।
I woke up early in the morning in Bombay because it was pouring. My car was actually in water. I'm too much water. It was too much rain. And then I took the flight and finally landed. Now one thing I get confused is हर एयरपोर्ट पे लैंड करके क्यों लिखा होता है बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट, अवॉर्डेड बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट, अवॉर्डेड बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट। तो अगर सारे एयरपोर्ट अवॉर्डेड बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट है तो एक्चुअली बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट है कौन सा? यूजुअली माई ड्राइवर भैया कम्स एंड पिक्स मी अप, बट टुडे माई मॉम इज कमिंग एंड शी इज लेट बिकॉज मेरा बैगेज आ चुका है लेकिन मेरी मदर नहीं आ चुकी। ओके आई एम डन। मैं या आई गॉट माई बैग में कौन से मैं शुड आई गेट आउट राइट नाउ? नो। Also, Bombay has completely ruined my hair. Yeah, because it was so humid. Actually, she's a vibe. It's giving I'm undercover. Nobody should know who I am.
Hello?
I'm home. So, in today's things to do was first take my flight because it was Bombay's under like alert, red alerts. I'll show you all the news stuff that came here, that it was chaos. Like my car was actually inside water and it was seeping in, but at least my flight took off on time and I was shocked because usually it never takes off on time, but when it's pouring like this torrential downpour, it took off. So flight check. Mom came and picked me up. Now I have to shoot, so I'm quickly eating lunch and I have a brand shoot to do. After the brand shoot I have a marketing session at Masters Union. After the marketing session at Masters Union, I have a couple of calls to finish and a meeting. After that, I have gym, and after that, I have one of my closest friends, his 30th birthday. So let's get through this day. मैं सुबह से phone पे हूँ, cause constantly planning चल रही है शूटों की. For lunch we have मटर पनीर, दही भल्ला, quinoa, rice, अचार, chutney, onion and cucumbers. And 2 plates. I am honestly so tired. मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं शूट करूँ, मार्केटिंग सेशन करूँ, जिम जाऊँ। Motivation is absolutely zero, but I have to do it. And I just genuinely just want to sleep. That's all I want to do. By the way, these are the books that I have read or currently reading. Tatas I finished, Building a Story Brand I finished, The Art of Doing Nothing I didn't like too much. मैंने आधा पढ़ लिया और मैं समझ गई पूरा बुक क्या है. Currently I'm reading Why We Die. यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है या शांति नहीं है. किचन के अंदर मॉम लगी पापा. Chaos. My contribution to home is the fact that I'm home. मैं जब घर आती हूँ मैं कुछ नहीं करती. बाकी के टाइम मैं कुछ करती तो हूँ काम, बट खुद का सेल्फिश. अदरवाइज मैं कुछ नहीं करती. ये देखो ये 4 आउटफिट्स आए हैं एक रील बनाने के लिए बॉम्बे से एक ही दिन, बिकॉज द ब्रांड वांटेड स्पेसिफिक क्लोथ्स. पर मैंने ये पहना है
हो अंडरवर्ल्ड में जिक्र आया राह के नाम का,
व्हिच इजंट सो बैड. बट अब मैंने पूरी रील शूट कर ली और अगर ब्रांड को इस कपड़ों से दिक्कत है तो मैं मतलब क्या करूँ भाई. गाइस प्लीज़ ये बढ़ा दो. बहुत टाइम हो गया इसको, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 years हो गए हैं. दिस इज़ one achievement. The second achievement is very pending and I'm sorry, I'm horrible at YouTube. I understand. I'm very good. I am very good at building YouTube for other people. I am not so good at building my own YouTube. So please. going out for hours. I missed the gym. And I have to go to one of my closest friend's birthday, so I can't go to the gym. And I forgot I had to go to the gym because so much was happening left, right, and center. I haven't even spent like 2 minutes with my parents because I've come home after like 10 days. Now I'll go and chill with them. I haven't even changed.
This is your story.
No, this is my vlog.
For what?
YouTube.
For what?
I think another tastes like onion.
Oh God.
There's some taste in it.
She always. I was going to say when you said.
My mom doesn't. My mom
What? My mom.
is the cutest. Bro, I am so stupid. I finally left for my friend's birthday and I left the gift. So now my sweet mother is coming all the way downstairs even though there's a guest upstairs to give me the gift. I'm wondering if my mama tana maregi that I've left the gift. Sorry? I know. Sorry. Okay, thank you, mama.
Okay.
Sweet. The only thing she said is, "You're too much." I am too much. Because my last few days have been a little like crazy and I've been very overwhelmed and I've been lost and I feel like I'm making mistakes and I don't know what I've been doing and like going with the flow के नाम पे काफी बह गई हूँ मैं. So every morning for like good half an hour, 45 minutes I listen to this, okay? It's Jagjit Singh's version. I listened to it and there's this one line in it saying Jidde yang sang rab hai unu phir kista dar hai. I don't know why I have said it with an accent, but my Punjabi comes out in an accent sadly. And that line is beautiful and it gives me hope ki why am I getting anxiety? Why am I stressing? What is the need of it when the power is within me? And by power is within me, it means Rab is inside me, right? I equate Rab to energy. I don't equate God to religion. I equate God to the universe. So I always feel like, why am I so worried? Why am I stressing when everything I need is in me? The power is in me and the universe is in me. I know ये काफी senti हो गया, but yeah, I'm saying this as I'm going to a party. I'm calling my 4-year-old cousin sister to tell me this Kirtan song Nani used to listen to and she sings it.
Hello,
Hi baby, how are you?
I'm good.
I had to ask you something. Do you remember that song that Nani used to listen to a lot and you also sing it?
Nani teri more make more like
I don't know, not that one. She used to listen to it on Alexa. It was a guy singing. It was a Sikh guy who used to sing like a song, but it's not a kirtan, but it sounds like a kirtan. And Banya also knows the song because she used to sing it. You and mom also used to listen to it. मुझे खुद याद आ गया गाना. वान्या की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Shivpreet Singh. The song is Saas Saas by Shivpreet. Hey Alexa, hey Siri. Play Saas Saas by Shivpreet Singh. You have to listen to the song. It's like, it gets like, I love it. It's very sukoon. Samaro Govinda Manang Karki Putre Chinta. We are going to Lakshmi's birthday party and my phone's matching my dress. My dress is matching your shirt. Guys, did you miss Shrivika? She's come to my vlog after a very long time.
I don't know what this is about.
Shrivika, तुम Reddit पे famous हो गई थी ना?
मैं famous हो गई थी और फिर सबको doubts हो रहे थे कि I'm not friends with Saiba anymore.
Because I don't tag her in
She
photos.
doesn't tag me in photos. वो मैंने बोला हुआ है don't you tag me. Otherwise all you creeps start following me and that's not cool.
तूने मेरे Suhanas को creeps बना दिया. गंदी बात.
Love you guys.
Thank you.
Keep following her.
हमें नींद आ रही है. हम बुड्ढे हो चुके हैं. The entire party is happening here. Three of us are sitting here because we are getting sleepy. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lakshmi. Happy birthday to you. हम I'm suddenly silent हो गए guys.
इतना इमोशनल मोमेंट है 30th टाइम that I'm doing this. प्यार का I think it was crazy that for the first time in my life this has happened, that I called each and every one of you just yesterday and asked you to come here on a Monday night and all of you just said yes.
I have come back home and I am sad. It's funny, जब मेरा एक to do list से चीज़ करेक्ट नहीं होता ना, मुझे genuinely performance anxiety हो जाती है कि मैं ढंग से काम नहीं कर रही. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई फील कि मेरा जो जिम वाला मिसहैप हुआ है ना, that I couldn't go to the gym because I had a lot of work to do, it's kind of like ruined my day. And it's anxiety triggering. I don't know if there is like a diagnosis for this or something कि एक चीज़ मेरे टू डू लिस्ट में टिक नहीं हुई, स्क्रैच ऑफ नहीं हुआ, मुझे एंग्जाइटी होने लगी है. पूरे दिन मुझे एंग्जाइटी हुई थी उसके बाद कि मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं किया. मेरा एक और PR आ गया है which is the death of potato chips. So I'm very excited because I love snacking. I have to oil my hair right now. I never wash my hair without oiling my hair first. तो अभी मैं तेल लगाऊंगी और ये है 2 तेल है मेरे पास. One is हिमाचल प्रदेश से आया हुआ apricot oil and the other is Brulaire का rosemary oil. तुसे जिथे भी जांदे हो सिरा करवांदे हो 200 की चाउमीन. मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं कौन मैं apricot oil लगा रही हूँ. 200 की चाउमीन. A lot of people have actually asked me to do a hair care routine, which I will, because my hair care routine is very basic but it's very consistent and I haven't changed it in probably 15 years. Skincare done, oiling done, night suit done. So yeah, good night.
The next day.
Good morning. It's time to wash my hair, get ready, and leave for shoot. Wow, this is so bright. I would have to say this entire vlog my hair has looked absolutely shit. But good morning, we are going for shoot and I am sleepy. अभी मैं टिफिन लेके गई हूँ. So इस बैग में मेरे थाई करी राइस और बीन्स है और रात को पापा नूडल्स बना रहे हैं. So it's just Asian, guys. So Karan here. Hi, Karan. He's in charge of today's shoot and he's told me something very sweet today. Please, Karan, what did you do?
So I was listening to the podcast that Saiba did with Vaibhav at Chalchitra and she was talking about all the bangers she kind of vibes to, ranging from a Bewafa to a Dua Lipa to the classic Coke Studio. So I have all of that in a playlist which will go on.
Oh my god, yeah. Kun Fire
is there. So we have
Sati also, yeah.
Sati album is there.
ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करना होता है गाइस. बाकी सब डायरेक्टर लोग, DOP लोग सीख लो. Thanks.
Rolling. 1, 2, 3, action.
Guys, I'm handing my phone to Ishika now because I have to go and wear clothes and I can't take you in the bathroom with me, unfortunately. Shit! मैंने अभी लंच खाया. क्या था? बैगन, पनीर, चावल, चना, कुलचा, 2 तंदूरी रोटी. मैं नहीं खा रही हूँ. But Ishika is dieting. तो नहीं खाएगी. मैं जो स्क्रीन पे हूँ, मैं डाइट बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रही. It is Bauli, Italy's #1 croissant. Italy's #1 croissant is made in India.
Oh my god.
That is strange.
I know Britannia does this.
कोई filling नहीं है इसके अंदर. It says cream filling. Where is the cream filling? I know I can't, but there was no filling. Oh, it's nice. It's very nice. Yeah, eat.
Oh, it's like in Bachpan we used to have like those
Sweet buns.
Fruit buns.
But have this part with the cream.
This part.
Yeah. Nice. डाइट कर रही हूँ मैं. Where's the heart? There's a heart. Aww.
Davishi, what did you get her?
We got 4 samosas and some pav bhaji and there are many pav bhaji.
एंड इसके पहले मैंने एक पैकेट लेस के चिप्स खाए हैं, बीन्स की कटोरी खाई है, एक और चीज़ खाई थी मैंने,
The croissant.
एंड चाय.
And I don't know how is Saiba maintaining with so much.
I love food. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yum.
How's it? Saiba,
Yes,
we packed up.
we packed up.
How do you feel? Oh my god.
I feel very tired. My head had 1,000 pins,
Oh
like
shit.
hair pins. And Ishika ने एक एक करके निकाले हैं, किलो भर. And now we have to drive back. And ये हमने खाना नहीं खाया. Because Ishika starving herself.
No, that's not true.
Yeah,
But we did it.
we did it.
Saiba has been very patient, guys.
I have actually.
Only white hearts in the comments.
What does white heart mean?
Peace.
Acha, I'm peaceful.
Like cute, kind.
Yeah, cute kind always. Always be nice to people.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
So please, Sarapakara. Okay, thank you.